Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into another fascinating word from the English language. Today's word is coincide, a C1 level verb, meaning to happen simultaneously. So, what does coincide really mean? Well, it means to occur at the same time or to correspond exactly in nature, opinion, or event. Think of it as two things aligning perfectly in time or idea. It's used when events, schedules, or even opinions match up unexpectedly. Let's explore some synonyms to get a better grasp of coincide. A few helpful synonyms include concur, synchronize, and correspond. Let's see them in action. First, concur. This means to agree or happen together. For example, the committee members concurred on the proposed budget, and their decision concurred with the CEO's vision. Notice how concur is used both to show agreement of opinion and also to mean happening at the same time in that same sentence. Another synonym is synchronize. This emphasizes the coordinated timing of events. For example, the dancers had to synchronize their movements perfectly for the performance to be successful, or the clocks in the office synchronize every night at 12 a.m. to ensure everyone is on the same time. And finally, we have correspond. This highlights the similarity or agreement between two things. We could say, the detective's account of the event corresponded with the witness testimony, meaning their stories aligned. Now, let's look at antonyms of coincide to understand its meaning even better. Antonyms provide a contrasting perspective. Some good antonyms for coincide are differ, diverge, and conflict. So, if coincide means to happen at the same time or to agree, these words mean the opposite. Let's use them in sentences. If things differ, they are not the same. For example, the twins differed greatly in personality, even though they looked identical. If things diverge, they move in different directions. For instance, the two roads diverge after the bridge, leading to different towns. When things conflict, they are in opposition. An example is the witness's statement conflicted with the physical evidence found at the crime scene. Now, let's think about how we might use coincide in everyday life. Imagine you are planning a vacation with a friend. You might say, I hope our vacation dates coincide so we can travel together. Or, you're checking your calendar and see two meetings scheduled at the same time. You could exclaim, oh no, these appointments coincide. I need to reschedule one. Consider another instance. You are discussing your viewpoints with a colleague. You might realize, wow, our opinions on this project coincide almost perfectly. We're really on the same page. Another simple use, the anniversary of the company coincides with the founder's birthday. Let's look at some more specific sentence examples. The release of the new phone is scheduled to coincide with the company's anniversary celebration. Or, it's rare that all the family members' schedules coincide, making holiday gatherings difficult to plan. Or, my final exams coincide with my sister's wedding, so I will unfortunately miss the reception. The town festival is designed to coincide with the peak of the wildflower bloom. Here are a couple of phrases where coincide is commonly used. To coincide with, as in the store is having a sale to coincide with the holiday weekend, and happen to coincide, as in our birthdays happen to coincide. We were both born on the 15th. Okay, let's recap what we've learned about coincide today. Coincide means to happen at the same time or correspond closely. We explored synonyms like concur, synchronize, and correspond, and antonyms like differ, diverge, and conflict, all with example sentences to illustrate their meanings. We also looked at how coincide is used in everyday conversations and common phrases. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful in expanding your vocabulary. Before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and learn English with us. Finally, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word coincide and share it as a comment under this episode. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.